Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have come up with another new video. It may be exciting for you all people. So today's video is about makeup tutorial. This is going to help you a lot. There are some basic makeup products which everyone should have in their beauty arsenals. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, but this tutorial or this video is going to help you a lot in achieving everyday and simple glam look. So without wasting any time, let's move on to the video.
So the first step is prepping the skin. So before I begin with the makeup application, it's important to prep the skin. So start by cleansing your face and applying a moisturizer that is suitable for your skin type. This will ensure a smooth canvas for your makeup. So step number 2 is even out the complexion with BB cream. For a natural and lightweight base, I'll be using a BB cream. Apply a small amount to the back of your hand and use a beauty blender to blend it into your skin. Focus on areas that need more coverage like redness or blemishes. The BB cream will provide a subtle glow while evening out your complexion. Then set the base with compact powder to ensure that your makeup lasts all day. It's essential to set your BB cream with a compact powder. So take a fluffy powder brush or this and lightly dust it over your face, focusing on the T-zone and any area prone to oiliness. This will give you a matte finish and prevent your makeup from sliding off. Moving on to the eyes, I'll be using a basic black eyeliner to define the lash line. Start from the outer corner of your eye and draw a thin line as close to the lash line as possible. You can create a subtle wing if you'd like. Repeat the same on the other eye. Next, I'll enhance the lashes with mascara. Curl your lashes with an eyelash curler and then apply a coat of mascara from the root to the tip. Apply a second coat if desired, focusing on the outer lashes for a more fluttery effect. Now let's add a pop of color to your lips. Choose a lipstick shade that complements your skin tone and apply it directly from the bullet or use a lip brush for more precision. Start from the center of your lips and work your way outwards. Blot your lips with a tissue to remove any excess product for a long-lasting finish. I'm almost done. Take a moment to check if there are any areas that need touch-ups. If you want to add some color to your cheeks, slightly sweep a blush or a bronzer onto the apples of your cheeks for a healthy glow.
And now there you have it, a simple yet stunning look. आई होप आपको ये मेकअप अच्छा लगा हो. आप औरों के साथ भी ये शेयर कर सकते हैं. एंड इफ़ यू लाइक माई वीडियो डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. और मैं ऐसी ही आपके लिए और नई नई वीडियोस लाती रहूँगी. बाय बाय, स्टे गॉर्जियस, बाय.